Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the equation of one-dimensional motion. আমি আজি one-dimensional motionৰ equation খিনি derive কৰিম. Already in your class 9 science, you got these equations. The first equation is V is equal to U plus AT. What is U? U is the initial velocity, V is the final velocity, and A is the acceleration. A is the acceleration. Okay, the second equation is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. That means we consider a situation where a body moves along a straight line with constant acceleration A. A body moves along a straight line with constant acceleration A. And during the time interval 0 to t, the velocity of the body increases from U to V. So we have to find out the relation between final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration and time interval. We already discussed that if the body has a constant acceleration, the velocity time graph will be a straight line inclined to time axis. If a body moves with constant acceleration, what is velocity time graph? The velocity time graph is a straight line inclined to time axis. Okay, so this is the velocity time graph of a body moving with constant acceleration A. And when t is 0 means when I initially observe the body moves with velocity u. And after time t, the velocity of the body is found to be v. That means what is the coordinate of this point? Coordinate of this point is 0, u. 0 means 0 is for time because x-axis is time. So what is its coordinates? Its coordinate is 0u. And what is the coordinate of b? Coordinate of b is tv. That means after time t, this is the velocity. We already know that the slope of velocity time graph gives the acceleration. The slope of velocity time graph gives the acceleration. Okay, slope of velocity time graph gives the acceleration. So what is slope? Slope means the tan theta. What is slope? Slope means tan theta. What is tan theta? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sorry. What is tan theta? Tan theta is perpendicular by base. So this is the perpendicular and this is the base. So what is perpendicular gives us? The perpendicular gives us V minus U. And what is the base gives us? The base gives us t minus 0. So therefore, what is acceleration? A is equal to V minus U by t. So therefore, AT is equal to V minus U. So V is equal to U plus AT. So this is the first equation. Acceleration is the slope of velocity time graph. What is slope? Slope means tan theta. Tan theta means perpendicular by base. So what is perpendicular? Perpendicular BC gives us V minus U. This is U, this is V. So therefore this is also U. So what is BC? BC is V minus U. And what is base? Base is t minus 0. So therefore tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base is equal to V minus U by t. So V is equal to U plus AT. So this is the first equation. So what is the second equation? Second equation is S is UT plus half AT square. We already know that the area under velocity time graph gives the displacement. Area under velocity time graph gives the displacement. So therefore area below AB gives the area covered by the body in time 0 to t. area under velocity time graph gives the displacement. So therefore, area below AB gives the distance traveled by the body in time 0 to t. What is area below AB? It is the area of OACD. It is a rectangle. OACD plus area of ABC triangle. That means area below AB can be written as area of rectangle OACD plus area of triangle ACB. What is area of rectangle? What is area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So what is breadth? OD. What is length? OA. OA means U. OA means U. But what is OD? What is OD? OD gives T. That means area of the rectangle OACD. Area of rectangle OACD is equal to OA into OD. What is OA? It is U. What is ODT? So area of the rectangle OACD is equal to UT. Now, what is the area of the triangle? Area of triangle is half into base into height. So what is base? Base is AC. What is height? BC. So area of the triangle ACB, area of the triangle ACB is equal to half into base into height. So this is the half. Height is BC, base is AC. AC also equal to OD. This AC and OD, they are equal to each other. This is T. This AC and OD, they are equal to each other. This gives T minus 0. T minus 0 means ki OD is T. And what is BC? BC gives you V minus U. So, area of the triangle is half into BC into AC. So, half into BC into OD. So, BC means V minus U. OD means T. From the first equation, V is equal to U plus AT. What we get? V minus U is equal to AT. So, therefore, if we substitute in the equation 1, S is equal to UT, S is UT, half T into V minus U. Instead of V minus U, I write AT. So, therefore, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So, this is the second equation. Okay? Now, what is the third equation? Third equation is V square is equal to U square plus twice AS. So, in the second equation, relation is between displacement, initial velocity, acceleration and time interval. But in the third equation, relation is between displacement, acceleration with initial and final velocity. Again, we know that area below velocity time graph gives the displacement. So, what is displacement of the body in time interval 0 to t? It is the area below AB. So, in this case, we consider OABD as a trapezium. OABD as a trapezium. We consider it as a trapezium. Trapezium OABD. What is area of trapezium? Half into sum of two parallel sides. Half into sum of two parallel sides. What are the parallel sides? OA is one parallel side and BD is one parallel side. What is area of trapezium? Half into sum of two parallel sides. This is one parallel side, this is one parallel side. Into distance between the two parallel sides. Okay? It is the half into sum of two parallel sides multiplied by separation between the two parallel sides. Okay? So therefore, area of the trapezium is considered as half into OA plus BD into AC. Half into OA plus BD. OA gives us U, BD gives us V, and AC gives us T minus 0 means T. AC gives us T minus 0 means T. AD gives us T. It gives us the T. So what is area of the trapezium? If you see the equation, area of the trapezium is half into sum of two parallel sides into separation between them. Separation is AC. So half into U plus V into T. AC means T. You just see. AC is equal to OD is equal to T. Therefore, we get S is equal to half U plus V into T. But what is the value of T? From the first equation, V is equal to U plus AT. So V minus U is equal to AT. So what is T? V minus U by A. You substitute this value of T in this equation. You substitute this value of T in this equation. So what we get? S is equal to half U plus V. T means V minus U by A. Okay? So this A, this 2 twice A. U plus V into V minus U, V square minus U square. So twice AS is V square minus U square. So V square is equal to U square plus twice AS. So this is the third equation. Okay? Now we are going to derive the fourth equation, the distance travelled during the nth second of the motion. What is called nth second? Let a body moves from O to P during the time interval 0 to n minus 1 second. And the body moves from O to Q in the time interval 0 to n. Then this distance is called distance travelled during nth second. Say from here to here, time taken is 2 seconds. From here to here, time taken is 3 seconds. That means this interval is called the third second. In order to move from O to P, body takes 2 second interval. In order to move from O to Q, body takes 3 second interval. So what is the distance? This distance body travelled in the time interval, in the time 2 to 3. So therefore this 2 to 3 is called the third second. Okay, what is the first second? First second is in the time interval 0 to 1. What is second second? 1 to 2. What is third second? 2 to 3. Third second is 2 to 3. 2 can be written as 3 minus 1 to 3. Third second means 2 to 3. What is 2? 3 minus 1. So therefore, what is nth second? N minus 1 to n. That means body takes n minus 1 second to travel from O to P, and that distance is called Sn minus 1. Body takes n second to move from O to Q, and that distance is denoted by Sn. So therefore, the distance between PQ, this distance between PQ is taken as distance travelled during nth second. This distance is taken as distance travelled during nth second. মই আকৌ এবাৰ ৰিপিট কৰিছোঁ, ওৰ পৰা পি লৈ যাবলৈ তাক n minus 1 second লয়, আৰু ওৰ পৰা কিউ লৈ যাবলৈ তাক n second লয়. এই মাজৰ যিটো ডিষ্টেঞ্চ, এই ডিষ্টেঞ্চটোকে কোৱা হয় ডিষ্টেঞ্চ ট্ৰেভেল ডিউৰিং nth second. আমাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট সেকেন্ড কোনটো? আমি ফার্স্ট সেকেন্ড বুলি কাক কওঁ? 0 to 1 to ফার্স্ট সেকেন্ড. সেকেন্ড সেকেন্ড কাক কওঁ? 1 to 2. থার্ড সেকেন্ড কাক কওঁ? 2 to 3. তাৰমানে 2 to 3 মই কি লিখিব পাৰোঁ? 2ৰ জেগাত 3 minus 1 to 3 লিখিব পাৰোঁ. গতিকে nth সেকেন্ডক আমি কি লিখিছোঁ? n minus 1 to n. তাৰমানে ওৰ পৰা পি লৈ যাবলৈ তাক কিমান সময় লাগে? n minus 1 second লাগে, আৰু সেই ডিষ্টেঞ্চটোক মই Sn minus 1 কৈছোঁ. ওৰ পৰা কিউ লৈ যাবলৈ তাক n second লৈ, সেই ডিষ্টেঞ্চটোক মই Sn বুলি কৈছোঁ. গতিকে Snth কিমান হ'ব? Sn minus 1. Snth, distance travel during the nth second কিমান হ'ব? Sn. This is the Sn. This is the Sn minus Sn minus 1. What is Sn? What is Sn? Un plus half an square. Which equation we used? Second equation. S is ut plus half at square. S is ut plus half at square. What is the time travel from O to Q? Time travel from O to Q মই কি বুলি কৈছো n সেকেন্ড বুলি কৈছো হেকে কিৰ জাগাত মই n পুট কৰিছো un plus half an square. What is Sn minus 1? This is the distance travel during the interval 0 to n minus 1 second. So again I use the equation S is ut plus half at square. খালি কিৰ জাগাত মই এবাৰ কি পুট কৰিম n minus 1 পুট কৰিম ut আছিল u into n minus 1 plus half at square. So half a n minus 1 whole square. মই আকৌ কৈছো what is Sn minus 1? It is a distance travel by the body during the interval 0 to n minus 1 second. So মই কোনটো ইকুৱেশ্যন ইউজ কৰিম ut plus half at square. খালি কিৰ জাগাত মই n minus 1 লম ut plus half at square. So u কিৰ জাগাত মই n minus 1 পুট কৰিছো plus half a t square. So instead of t, I take n minus 1 whole square. So if I use this, so what I will get? So from the first, un plus half an square. Second to ki asil minus un minus 1 half n minus 1 whole square asil. Tumalke swa itu n minus 1 un minus 1 plus half a n minus 1 whole square asil. So n minus 1 whole square to bhangi dile mur kiman hobo? N minus 1 whole square to bhangi dile kiman hobo? N square minus twice n plus 1. Now I remove the bracket un minus u. Yet a by 2 ase a n square by 2. These two get cancel minus a n plus a by 2. Now I remove this bracket. I will get this. This minus becomes plus. This plus becomes minus. This minus becomes plus. Why? Because this minus is here and this plus becomes minus. Now you see these two get cancelled. Half an square and minus half an square. Un minus un. These two get cancelled. Un minus un. These two get cancelled. Okay? These two get cancelled and these two get cancelled. So what are the remaining? an minus a by 2. This an can be written as twice n into a by 2. Therefore, if I take a by 2 common from these two terms, so what we get? S nth is equal to u plus a by 2 twice n minus 1. Okay? So this is the fourth equation. তোমালোকে repeatedly এই ইকুৱেশ্যন কেটা চাবা you follow these equations repeatedly, okay, and try to solve it, try to prove it, try to derive it. If you know these four equations correctly, then only you can solve the numericals of kinematics or numericals of one-dimensional and two-dimensional motion.